how to make a free blog website on Blogger. If you've ever wanted to start a blog but didn't want to spend money on hosting, domains, or complicated website builders, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a completely free blog website using Blogger. By the end of this guide, you will have your own blog online where you can publish posts, customize the design, and start sharing your content with the world, all without paying anything. Now, before we jump into the setup process, let's briefly talk about the Blogger. Blogger is a free blogging platform created and owned by Google. It allows you or anyone to create a website and publish blog posts without needing coding skills or hosted services. Since it's hosted by Google, the platform is very reliable and easy for beginners to manage. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Blogger is that it handles all the technical parts for you. You don't have to worry about servers, security updates, or complicated setup. All you need is a Google account and you can create a blog in just a few minutes. The first step is to open blogger.com, the official website. You're going to sign in or log in with your Google. Now, if you already use Gmail, YouTube, or a Google Drive, you can just use the same account. After signing in, you will see the Blogger dashboard, where you can manage your blog, you can write and post, and customize your website. Now, the dashboard is pretty simple, there isn't much going on. If this is your first time using Blogger, you will be prompted to create a new blog. And once you're in the main dashboard on the left side, you're going to click on Create Blog, and this is going to give you the option to give a title. You're simply going to type in the title and click on Next. Now you're going to choose a blog address. This will be your website's link. For free Blogger website, the address usually ends with blogspot.com. For free Blogger websites, the address usually ends with .blogspot.com. Now you can add in anything like your blog post, or you can simply just add in the blog name that we just added and simply click on Save. You can also just simply type in your blog name and then .blogspot.com. Now this is your entire website. Now once you complete these steps, you can click on Create New Post or a new blog. After choosing the blog address, you're going to complete the final steps that are to be followed up, and your website will be live instantly. After creating your blog, you'll be taken to the Blogger dashboard, and this is where you control everything in your website. The dashboard includes sections such as post, stats, your commands, the earnings and pages, along with the layouts. Now you can spend a few minutes exploring these sections so you become comfortable navigating the entire platform. Now let's create your first article. We're simply going to click on a new post, and this is going to open up the editing page for you. Below that, you will see the writing area where you can type your content. You can format your text using options like bold, headings, list, links, and even images. For example, you might write a post introducing your blog and explaining the topics that you plan to cover. Once your post is ready, you're simply going to click on Publish and then Confirm. And that is it. Your blog is then published. And this is going to appear on your website. Now let's make your blog look more unique. You can go to the themes section right here on your main dashboard, and here you can choose different themes or customize the existing one. If we click on the existing one and click on customize, you can change things like the colors, fonts, background images, and your layout styles. Now, if you want more control over your themes, you can go back to the layout section. Here you can add in widgets such as profile sections. You can add in popular posts, your search bar, your archives, and social media links. These features help visitors navigate your website more easily. Now, a good blog usually has a few important pages besides regular posts. You can go back to your post. Now, you can go to your pages section and click on a new page. You may want to create pages such as About, where you introduce yourself and your blog. And then you can also add in a contact information page where your readers can reach out to you. And then a privacy policy, especially useful if you plan to monetize your blog. Now these pages help make your website look more professional and trustworthy. Now once your blog is live, you've published your first post, the next step is sharing your content. You can promote your blog by posting your articles on social media, you can share them with your friends, or by joining online communities related to your topic. Or you can also make your own community and then add this in your social media bio. Because Google runs Blogger, your post can also appear in search results when people look for topics related to your blog. Now, over time, as you publish more posts, your blog can start attracting readers from around the world. Before we finish, here are a few tips that will help you succeed with your blog. First is to choose a clear topic for your blog. Blogs focus on a specific niche and tend to grow faster. Second is post consistently, even if one article per week, because this can help you build an audience over time. And third is to use images and headings to make your post easier to read. And finally, focus on creating helpful or interesting content that people will want to share. And that's how you can create completely free blog website using Blogger. With just a few simple steps, you can launch your own blog, start publishing posts, and share your ideas online without spending any money. Blogging is a great way to express your creativity, build an audience, and even create opportunities in the future. Now we're going to talk about the common beginner mistakes. One of the mistakes beginners often make is choosing a random blog name without thinking long term. Your blog name should become part of your brand, especially because Blogger usually gives you the link like yourname.blogspot.com. If the name is confusing or too long or just unrelated to your content, it can be harder for readers to remember or trust your blog. Another common mistake is ignoring blog design and readability. Many beginners keep this default template without adjusting their fonts, their colors, or just spacing. While Blogger templates are functional, a blog that looks clean and organized will keep readers on the page longer. Cluttered layouts, tiny fonts, or just too many widgets can make a blog feel messy and difficult to read. New bloggers also often publish posts without proper formatting, and large blocks of text without headings, spacing, or images can be tiring if they're in the way. Even good content can feel overwhelming if it isn't structured clearly, so this is a really important tip to actually publish your post with proper formatting, proper layouts. A very frequent mistake is not using labels in Blogger. Labels help organize your content so readers can easily find related posts, and without them, your blog may feel disorganized as it grows. Another issue beginners face is not writing consistently. Some people publish many posts on the first week and then stop updating the blog. Consistency matters more than quantity, and posting regularly helps both readers and search engines recognize that your blog is active. Finally, many beginners don't think about SEO at all. They skip titles, descriptions, and keywords that help their post appear in search results or search engines. Even basic SEO practice can help bring organic visitors to a new blog. And this was the full tutorial on how you can create a free blog website using Blogger. As you've seen, the platform is simple, beginner-friendly, and a great way to start sharing your ideas online without spending any money. With the right blog name, clean design, and consistent posting, your blog can grow into something really valuable over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials, blogging guides, and AI tools explained step by step. And if you have any questions about using Blogger or starting your first blog, feel free to comment below. I'd be happy to help. Even if you have more questions or any questions on any of these videos, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.